what is baby scented? Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'm Trix, and today I'm going to be doing a double unboxing of the Therabox subscription box. Let's think about these months. You know how I always get confused on months. So Therabox sends their boxes at the end of each month. So 2 months ago, subscribers of Therabox received an email that their Flourish box was going to be sent a little bit later, was going to be sent about 2 weeks after they normally do. And once it was shipped, packages have been so slow getting to me in my area. I mean, I'm sure it's not just me. I'm sure that it's like people in general in my area have been getting their packages late. So by the time that this Therabox made its way to me, 2 days later, this one came. So yeah, hence the double unboxing. So Therabox is a monthly wellness and self-care subscription box. Plans do start at $34.99 a month, plus I think a little shipping. In the description box down below, I am going to be leaving a link to Therabox's website so you can check out the subscription box for yourself, as well as a playlist of all of the Therabox boxes that I have unboxed here on this channel. I have been subscribed to Therabox for over a year, and overall, I mean, there were a few hits and misses with like products here and there, but overall, I do definitely think that this is a quality box, and I have been using the majority of the items time and time again. So we have the Flourish box, which I will open first, and then we have their 4th birthday celebration box. So I will be leaving timestamps down below for both of these boxes if you just came here for one of those boxes and you want to jump straight ahead. So before we get into the actual unboxing, if you have not done so already, please hit that red subscribe button down below and ring that bell. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's get into our Flourish box. The monthly booklet, which has information about all of the products as well as the retail value. So here is the Flourish art. Looks like a beautiful representation of Mother Earth. So let me just start out with the thing that was on the very top. This is the wellness activity. So you get both self-care and wellness items within Therabox, and they always include some sort of happiness boosting activity. So we have here some cards. These are the Curious Bird from the Stacey Moore Studio. These are curiosity cards, the Garden of the Mind. When your intuition needs some pointing in the right direction, this deck of curiosity cards might give you some ideas. Featuring 10 colorful hand-illustrated cards by Stacey Moore with thought-provoking prompts and a beautiful print on matte cardstock, this mind-freeing tool of self-discovery can be used intimately with yourself or together with your loved ones. A clever little stack with a chock full of surprises. The illustrations are also unique, and the process of using them is very enlightening and fun at the same time. Simply write, doodle, or draw on each card following the prompt, then fit all the cards together, and surprise, they form one big picture. A gorgeous roadmap, especially during a time of transition and uncertainty. So let's look at the illustrations on this card. So it says that these cards will all only work if you write on them. Your bright, shining gift, the dream that makes your heart soar, your superpower, the door you dare to walk through, let this go, what your heart is telling you to do, one small brave step you could take, a change you choose to make, your greatest wish. Really love this idea. Hopefully I will actually get started using them. So next up we have some soaking salts from Dragonfly CBD. It says to create a peaceful bath time experience with this perfect combination of coconut, magnolia, and vanilla. So typically whenever I get bath salts in a box, I will usually use them as a foot soak. So this will last me a good time. I was really apprehensive to start using products with CBD because a lot of medicines and a lot of products tend to have the complete opposite effect that they're supposed to have on me. So, you know, if this was supposed to relax and soothe, I didn't want it to like really hype me up and like cause a lot of pain, but thankfully that has not been happening. Almost out of my foot soak, so I'm glad to have these soaking salts. Isn't this just the cutest little package ever? This is an avocado and algae face mask from Plant-Based Beauty, and it comes with a little tiny spatula so you don't have to dig your fingers into this and get anything under your fingernails. Ooh, it's one that you blend. I love face masks. I love face masks that you have to kind of just like spruce up yourself. So like I said, this is an avocado and algae mask from Plant Based Beauty. This is made with 100% plant-based ingredients, and it is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids that nourish and rejuvenate the skin. This 1 ounce jar will last 1 to 2 months, even when used every day. We have a nail polish. By the way, love this packaging. Let's take a moment to appreciate. Love the packaging. This is from Trust Fun Beauty. Polish named, or the color is named No Filter. So this nude nail polish from Trust Fun Beauty is vegan, cruelty-free, and tin-free. I will leave in the description box down below what tin-free means if you've never heard of that before. Mainly it just means that no nasties are within this nail polish. And they say that the No Filter shade looks great on everyone's skin tone and perfectly complements all the colors of spring. So I am really pale. Let's see if it looks good on my really pale skin tone. So this is definitely something that I think would need 2 coats. I'm going to paint my nails later tonight, and we'll post that picture over on Instagram if you want to see what it looks like with 2 coats and on all 10 fingernails. But this is what it looks like, and it actually looks really good. As it was going on, it kind of looked like kind of pasty and chalky, and I was thinking, that's not gonna look good. But yeah, I like it. So next we have a product that I've never seen before. Like, of course I've never seen this particular brand, but I've never even heard of this type of product. These are some Dew Drops of Spring from Body Fresh. And so it says that these are a bathroom wipe or flushable wipe alternative. So this is what the packaging looks like. The reason I'm laughing is that it says that it is baby scented. I'm assuming they mean like baby powder scented. Let's see. So it says that this bottle delivers over 120 uses. So I just want to see like what it looks like coming out and like what the smell is like. What is baby scented? It comes out looking like a foam. Oh yeah, and it's just baby powder scented. Smells really, really good. Actually, it doesn't smell like baby powder. It smells like the baby lotion. Like just like the Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. I'm sure it has an actual name, but like the one in the pink. But yeah, this has that scent. We have a product from Anamana Skincare. These are some eye pads. Like, not like iPads, but there's some collagen gel eye pads. Love this packaging, by the way. They are anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and dark circle reducing. There are 5 pairs to this. And yeah, they look like all of this brand's products. And like all of this brand's products, it looks like it's really, really cute once you open it on up. So let's see. So I do have to say that about this skincare brand. I find that their products are really deceptive. Like if I would see these products in the store, I more than likely would not pick them up for myself because they look very cutesy and they look like, I don't know like what the target demographic would be, but they look like the target demographic would be like teenagery. But, and not saying that like teenagers don't deserve good products, but like they're cutesy and glittery and shimmery and things like that. The actual products are super quality products. So yeah, always really impressed with them. Oh, there's some star glitter in them. So this is what they look like. Super holographic. All right, so our next item is in collaboration with Alt Linen. It says to break up with paper towels. Next time you need a paper towel, grab these instead. Wash and use them as long as you'd like, then send them back. We'll replace them with fresh new ones forever. What? That's a cool promise. So by using just one less roll of paper towels a week, you'll save $80 each year. If every American home did that together, we'd save 24 million trees a year and wipe out 1 million pounds of paper waste. That's crazy. I mean, I already knew those details, but like I'm still wrapping my mind around like they'll replace them with fresh new ones. Like, so honestly, I personally don't use paper towels all that often. I just use them if it's something like really nasty, like, you know, like a hairball from the cats or something like that. Usually I just use like linens, like my regular, dish towels and things like that. But glad to add these into the rotation. These are 100% natural durable cotton. They are made responsibly in India and 100% earth friendly. And the final item we have in the Flourish box, I already have a pack of these, have not opened them yet because I'm still going through the laundry detergent I've purchased like a few months ago, but really hope I like them because I have another pack. They are eco strips from True Earth. So the whole point of this, and it's soap, but it's like soap like compacted into a strip, and so it like sets up and it washes your clothes. I have some traveling coming up this summer, by the way, and I definitely do plan on packing these as a great alternative to try to like cram in some detergent into my luggage. So glad I have another pack. Okay, so that was everything in the Flourish box. Let's go through our retail values. We have the True Earth Eco Strip laundry detergent. This retails for $19.95. The No Filter nail polish from Trust Fun Beauty that has a retail value of $15. We have the Dew Drops of Spring from Body Fresh, has a retail value of $7.95. We have the Avocado and Algae Mask from Plant Based Beauty that has a retail value of $22. Our pair of Forever Kitchen Towels from Alt Linen has a retail value of $30. The CBD soaking salts from Dragonfly CBD has a retail value of $20. The Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads from Enamina Skincare has a retail value of $32. And last but not least, we have the Curiosity Cards from the Stacey Moore Studio, which has a retail value of $19.95. All that together puts the Flourish box from Therabox at a retail value of $166.85. All right, intermission time, time to switch out the boxes. Next, we have the birthday box from Therabox, which is last month's box. So this is April's box. And this is a much, much heavier box than the Flourish box. We have the 4th anniversary. Yay! This month's box has a promised retail value of over $181. This box just smells green. Like, that's the best way I can explain it. Just like a green spa thing. Not saying that I mind it, it's just that's what it smells like. So the first thing we have up are some Mani Pedi Fizzies. So this is from Clearly Balanced Days, and this has naturally occurring CBD in it. It says that they are a special edition orange scent. So this has broad spectrum CBD and a therapeutic blend of essential oils that will bring your feet and hand feeling rejuvenated in minutes. The products are third-party tested for quality and potency. They are all natural and contain no unnecessary additives. This logo here, they are proud supporters of suicide prevention and mental health awareness, and I thank them for that. Ooh, this smells really good. And this is not the green smell that I was smelling, by the way. This just smells like an orange fizzy. Or like an orange push pop. I know I'm dating myself, but like the push pops that we would get in like a cardboard, like toilet paper reminiscent tube. That's what these smell like. All right, we have an Anamina product. It would not be a Therabox, a birthday celebration, in my opinion, without including one. All right, so this is their birthday cake body butter. So this is what the packaging looks like on the outside, by the way. I mean, it's clear, but like this is what the product looks like, let me say, on the outside. Oh, there's sprinkles. How cute. How cute are those sprinkles? Smells like cake batter. So we have a product that exfoliates and hydrates. So it is from a Ginger Honey Organic Skincare. It is a Bubbles Plus Honey Sugar Scrub, and I'm assuming in the scent Melted Honey, or maybe that's just what this version is called. This does have a like slightly reminiscent scent of honey, but it's not overly sweet like I thought it was going to be. This Bubble and Honey Sugar Scrub is made to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin all at once. It's formulated for all skin types. The all-natural scrub is made with organic honey, raw sugarcane, and jojoba oil. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So they say to apply this sparingly over the whole body, allow soap to lather, and then rinse with warm water. We have a face oil next, which looks like super high-techy with the white and silver packaging that we have going on. I think this is what I was smelling through the box, which it's not broken or anything, which is good. I was kind of, anytime I get like a strong scent whenever I open a box that smells like something spa-like, I'm always a little worried that something is busted in the box, but not so, not so. This is from Canalogica. This is a facial hydration oil. So this is full spectrum hemp extract, containing naturally occurring CBD and green oregano oil. Never used something on my face with oregano oil. So, 2 products with CBD in them. Interesting. So this is vegan and cruelty-free, natural, and 100% plant-based. Let's just see what it's going to be like on the skin. Little dropper to it. Smells good. It smells a bit citrusy. All right, so this is definitely leaving my hand glowing and smooth. I did put a lot, so it is feeling a little greasy. I'm going to leave it some time to set in. Whenever we do the retail values, I'll come back and let you know how my hand feels. Not really greasy. Let me double back and say that. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels just oily, if that makes sense. Like obviously, I put in oil, so I want to see how long it takes for that to soak in. Yeah, hi. Realized in editing that I never actually said how this felt. By the time that retail value happened, so in about like 10, 12 minutes or so, it was completely dried down and my hand just looked glowy. I should not have done that, by the way, because now I cannot open any of these packages. Not good thinking on my part. It's some Zesty Morning hand sanitizer. So this hand sanitizer comes from Organic Bath Co. Yeah, that's citrus. I couldn't smell it at first and I was a little concerned. But yeah, it smells citrusy. So this is what leaked. And I'm not even going to open this. So this is what it looks like. This is what I was smelling. It smells really good. So all leaked. What this was going to be. I will still open it. Probably will still use it. Just not now because I'm going to need to do that like on a cabinet top with some like towels and such. But so this is from Minimo. This is Moxie, and this is a clarifying red clay made with French clay. Well, thankfully it looks like the other 2 products that are remaining in the box were not affected by that little disaster that happened. Next we have some well-being ritual mini balms, so some portable aromatherapy from Centered, but Centered spelled like scent. Comes in a lovely reusable tin packaging. I'm definitely one of those people who reuses all of packaging whenever I possibly can. This also could possibly be what I was smelling. Sort of everything smells generally like this does in this box. So we have some happy, we have some focus, some de-stress, some escape, and some sleep well. So I am going to smell the de-stress because I definitely need that over after today. So all of these have the same directions to apply to pulse points. So de-stress is a remarkable soothing blend to help you juggle more throughout the day, keeping you calm and in control. So this is going on really smoothly, much like lip balm, and the oils are coming out of whatever wax is holding them in, like as it's being applied to the heat of my skin. And finally, we have our happiness boosting activity. It's a book. Like a proper book, it looks like. Usually we'll get books and it's like workbooks and such. This is In the Light, Poetry of Awakening by Ashley Lord. Oh yeah, and it's a book of poetry. So in addition to poetry, this also has some self-love practice and rituals, like some affirmations and things like that. All right, and here is Ashley herself. Same person. I'm just realizing, same person. As I was looking, I was like, wow, she looks a lot like the person on the cover. It's been a long day. All right, so I'm really super impressed with both of these boxes. Let me get into the retail value of the 4th anniversary box from Therabox. In the Heart of the Light, Poetry of Awakening by Ashley Lord has a retail value of $17.99. The Centered Wellbeing Ritual Aromatherapy 10 has a retail value of $36. So the Minimo Moxie Mask has a retail value of $21.95. The Bubbles and Honey Sugar Scrub from Ginger and Honey has a retail value of $17. The Zesty Morning Hand Sanitizer from Organic Bath Co. has a retail value of $8. The 3-pack Mani Panny Fizzies from Clearly Balanced Days has a retail value of $9.99. The Birthday Cake Body Butter from Anamena has a retail value of $20. And the Facial Hydration Oil from Canalogica has a retail value of $58. Every time that I unbox subscription boxes and I see a face oil, I'm always like shocked by the price of it. I'm not exactly sure why I'm still shocked by the price of face oils, but yes, this says retail value of $58. All in all, that puts the 4th anniversary birthday box from Therabox coming in at a retail value of $188.93. So I'm definitely pleased with both of these boxes from Therabox. Let me know in the comments down below which box did you like more, the Flourish box or the birthday box, and which product was your favorite. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!